Hello guys, welcome back again. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create this video presentation on Canva. On way to create something like this is just by go to your Canva and then create a new project, and instead creating a regular project of design, you need to create a video project or maybe a presentation project like this. Then open it up, and then the next thing that you need to do is import the image that you are make onto a topic for your presentation. So for example, I'm going to use the image from Canva, and the image that you need to use is the image that have this portrait orientation ratio. And now the next thing that you need to do is increase the size of it. Make sure it's fit onto the, so you just need to decrease the size of it like this. And when you're already doing it, now slowly adjust the position all the way to the bottom, kind of like this. Set it onto the center. Okay, now the next thing that you need to do is duplicate this image, kind of like this. And on this duplicated image, you need to remove the background from it. So just go to the Magic Studio and then click this BG remover. Click it and wait for a moment until the process is complete. And now when it's done, you just need to go back to your page and positioning this image that has no background on it. Make sure it's fit onto the original image, kind of like this. Okay, and then after that, you just need to insert a text onto this page. So just go to your text box on your main toolbar, click it. And then insert a text onto the page. And the text that I'm going to add onto this page is the text that will be a heading from the topic. So because it's Colosseum, it must be a Rome, like this. And then go back and you can change the font from this text. Go to font on the text toolbar and then use a bold font. I recommended you using a bold font for a display. So I would like to use this Scratch Pro font, kind of like this, and increase the size of it all the way to the up, like this. Then positioning it like this and send it behind of the object that you are cut out from the background before. Now if you want to, you can change the color of it. Like me, for example, I'm going to change it onto maybe this color, and then go to effect and use the leaf effect. Decrease the leaf effect a little bit, like this, onto 40. Then go back to the page one more time. Then the next thing that you need to do is prepare a text for the next page. So just go to the text that you are already prepared. So for me, I already prepared this text and I would like to drag it onto the first page like this. Okay, and then the next thing that I'm going to do is change the font. So I would like to change it onto something much more like tiny and proper, kind of like this. So I'm using this Eastman Grotesque font, and then change the color of it if you want to, but for me I would like to use this black color. And then go to the format and I would like to put a bold onto this font, kind of like this. Then the next thing that you need to do is go to elements, and you need to follow this step because it's important to do. So just go to elements and insert a shape onto your page. So just click it like this. And now the next thing that you need to do is positioning the shape on top of this text that you are adding, this one. Okay, so you can decrease the thickness from it and adjust the length of it. Okay, now click this three dots button and then wait for a moment, and then select multiple and select the shape and the text that you are have. So and then after that, group it like this, go back again, And now click the shape, go to transparency and decrease the transparency of it onto 0. Okay, and then one more time, go to elements and adding another shape onto the text. Okay, when you're already adding it, now you need to put the shape on the bottom of the text, kind of like this. If you want to, you can try this, decrease the thickness and adjust the length from the shape. Okay, I would like to put it there, and I think I would like to adjust it like this. And then as same as before, click the 3 dots button and select multiple like this, and then group it. Now click the shape and decrease the transparency from it onto 0, so we're not able to see it anymore. And the next thing that you need to do is hide this text all the way to the bottom like this. And now I would like to add an ending, so I would like to add another text onto this page. So for example, let me just type thank you like this, then change the font of it if you want to. For me, I would like to change it onto a bolder font like Anton. Okay, and then I'm going to use this Anton font. Go back to your page again and increase the size from it, kinda like this. And if you want to, as same as before, you can change the color of it onto the exact color that you want. So I would like to change it onto white color, kinda like this. Go back to the page again, and this one you need to hide it all the way to the bottom too, kind of like this. Okay, now when you're done, this is only 50% from the step, so you just need to decrease the size and then duplicate the first page and go to the second page. Now the next thing that you need to do is go to layers, select the text of the topic and drag it all the way to the up, kind of like this. Hide it, make sure you hide it, remember, make sure that you are hiding the text. Okay, so now go to the background. As same as the text, you need to adjust the background position all the way to the up, kind of like this, all the way to the top, sorry, my mistake. And then go to the object that you are cut out from the background, you need to adjust the position to all the way to the top. Okay, now when you're done adjust all of the background element, now go to layers and select the text that you are adding before. This one, click it and drag it all the way to the top as same as the previous step. So drag it all the way to the top, kind of like this. And if you want to, you can add a background of the text too, but for me I would like to use this regular type. And now the next thing that you need to do is duplicate the second page again, duplicate it kind of like this, and go to the next page. Now as same as before, you need to drag all of the element all the way to the top like this. Okay, and then click the background, go to the background and drag it all the way to the top also. Okay, now go to layers and select the ending text that you are adding before and drag it all the way to the center, kind of like this. Now when you're done, click the clip, go to the timing and decrease the timing or the duration from each clip. So you need to turn on this apply to all page, and then I would like to delete this last page, this one, so just delete it. And now the next thing is adding a motion. So go to your main toolbar, and then as you can see there will be a plus button, this one, just click it and go to transition. And now the transition that you are need to use is match and move, this one. So click the match and move to adjust the duration from it and check apply between all the page. Go back and the final result of it will be look like this. And that's the way to create it. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.